Hello, this video is brought to you by Dogs That Steal Blankets. If your dog steals blankets, comment down below because he literally takes every single one of my blankets. Okay, to the video. So today, what we're going to be doing is kind of this massive unloading of my Hostess rewards that I got. So let's start right away. So first we have the tiny confetti earrings. These are so stinking cute. So they have a bunch of the different colors that are in like our newer stuff. So you will see, it looks like that Laguna stone. You have a pink one, more of like looks like a blushy or like champagne tone. And then the crystal aurora boreal, and then like a lime green. Next, we have the August birthstone necklace. So I actually got this because I was thinking it would be really cute to wear like with this sweater actually, for St. Patrick's Day, because it's a lighter green and I thought that it would look really pretty like against the darker green sweater. So it's a peridot stone, and that's the August birthstone, and this is for strength, happiness, and dignity. I think it's cute. I just thought I think it was a cute color for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, the next one is the treasure trove necklace. Hello, you're adorable. Okay. Oh, so pretty. Okay, this is the treasure trove necklace. It has pearls on it. It has like smaller crystals, larger crystals, all different kinds of shapes. It has like some pave settings. Okay, next is the pear drop earrings, and these are in blue. It's like this lighter color blue that is so pretty. I'm seeing if I can flip these around so they stay, but I don't know if they will. It's such a light blue. It almost is like a clear stone. Then I also got the wrap star bracelet in black because like I'm wearing my mocha one today and I am obsessed with these wrap bracelets. They're just so easy to put on. So it's so pretty. It's all black and the crystals are all one color of like the clear crystal. So some of them will have kind of variations of the color. Like this one's kind of variated. Okay, so let's see what is next. I'm going to apologize for whatever is happening behind me. There's no controlling this situation. It's just whatever's happening. Okay, next is the Laguna Beach earrings. And these my husband actually picked out for me. So these are the Laguna Beach earrings. So pretty. I cannot wait to wear these in the summertime. I mean, this just screams summer, Caribbean, beachy. I'm not going to the Caribbean, but like I will be with these earrings. Comment below if you guys are going anywhere exciting. Okay, next is the droplet earrings in peony. Okay, so the plastic is on, so we're just gonna have to pretend the plastic is off, but that actually kind of keeps it forward better so you can see them. So these are the droplet earrings in peony. Again, a super beautiful pink color for like Valentine's Day, spring, Mother's Day. Next up is the Golden Sunkissed Ice Bracelet. So this is actually one that my mom ordered. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. So this is the Golden Sunkissed Ice Bracelet. It is so pretty. It's almost like, I want to say it's like a darker coral color. It is so pretty. And then with that gold, let me see if I can put it with this one so you can see. Next is the seahorse necklace, and this one also was picked out by my husband, and oh, it's so cute. So this is one of like our smaller, daintier pieces. So if you could see that one side was covered in crystals and the other side is more like, it has a texture in the metal. So you could flip it to whichever side you wanted to that day. All right, next up is our Lulu earrings in peachy. Oh, these are so beautiful. Okay, this just screams spring. Look at that peachy color. Oh, so cute. And this Lulu style is adorable. It's a lever back and it's just like a cute circle. It's like the perfect size for every day. Like it doesn't have to be like a huge statement earring to get that pop of color. Okay, this is one that I'm really excited about. This is the Laguna Delight Ice Bracelet. I'm absolutely obsessed with this Laguna color. It is so pretty. Okay. Oh, it just screams summertime and I'm ready. I'm ready for the summer, guys. I hate being cold. Okay, here is the Laguna Delight Ice Bracelet. How beautiful is that? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear that. Okay, this one is the Peachy Ice Bracelet. So this one is going to be orange and coral, and it just has all the springy vibes to it. It is so cute. So they alternate between the coral and the peach in that one. Okay, the blue collar necklace. I saw this in person for the first time last night. We went over to my parents' house for a Super Bowl party, and she actually ordered this at her party, and oh, seriously, it is so beautiful. It is stunning. Like, this is just the cutest thing ever. So it's that perfect balance between like blue and silver. It's because it's not all just one heavy blue necklace. It has the perfect amount of the rings that kind of balance out the stones. This with like a white t-shirt and a jean jacket. Beautiful. Okay, this one is the Pinnacle Pendant. I'm really excited about this one to see it in person. I think the color just does not do it justice. Oh yeah, the color doesn't do it justice at all. Oh, it's stunning. Wow. Okay, look at this stone. That is amazing. This is so beautiful in person. Wow. It's like a purpley, pinky kind of color, but depending on how you turn it, it almost looks bluish if I turn it this way. Like, wow, this is gonna be absolutely gorgeous. And this is a longer style one too, so this would look nice still with like a sweater. Okay, and last is the Change of Pace necklace. So this is one that is more versatile than some of the other ones that I've shown. So first I'll show it all together and then I'll kind of explain how it is versatile. Here is our Change of Pace. So this Change of Pace necklace, these individual pendants can come off. So you can change the way that you're wearing it. So let's say you decided that you didn't want maybe these ones on the side. You can take those off. So like I'm just gonna take one off the side so you can see what I mean. And then it makes it a little simpler. So that way, depending on what you're wearing, it would be appropriate. Oh, this would be really cute, the sweater actually. That's really cute. Or you could take off these two and make it a single pendant. I mean, and you could take this one off and then like put the smaller ones on to make it even smaller if you wanted something a little simpler. So like you could just have this single one, or you could put all of these back on and then take away this one. I think that would look really cute too. So this is a really fun piece that you can kind of mix and match and make it your own. They actually have this in a different colorway as well. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed my, I want to say unboxing, but every time I say it, it's so cringy. Like if you go back down and watch my 31 unboxing, the way that I say it in the beginning is so cringy. I can't even, like, I want to just like skip past it. I'm like, why? Why did I say it like that? I can't handle myself. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this. All my links will be down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. It helps other people to see it as well. And make sure that you subscribe as well and hit the subscribe button. I enjoy making these videos and I hope that you enjoy watching them. Let me know what your favorite was today. I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.